Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to on touch sound in Vivo phone. Guys, this phone touch sound in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on it, so you can on easily in this video. Guys, I will show you how can you on this touch sound setting in Vivo phone. So let's see friend. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on sound setting. This sound setting guys tap here and guys click on touch sound. So after guys you can listen phone touch sound in Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to on phone touch sound in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.